Greetings. This is the one true Stepwall, and I'm here with a Game Boy Studio tutorial. I'm going to do hearts today. All we need, might as well name these now to make it a little easier. Alright, on init. If variable compare with a value. Let's see what I have. Habit of mind. See how long I can keep that up. Player health is variable 3. Because why not? Set spreadsheet there. And I'm not sure if I have this script stop here for this problem, but I was doing something else in the larger project, and well, that fixed it. So, you know, it's less than 50. Make it 1 heart. Oh, I don't know if I have the skill set to do this, YouTube. Oh, it hurts my brain trying to talk and do. It's like playing guitar and singing. It's a different muscle than either of them are individually. I'll get it yet, though. Hope everyone's following along all right. Else, paste. You hold control to get that paste. If you're brand new, you wouldn't have known that. I'll do a better tutorials someday, but for now, it appears the limiting factor is my skill level. I'm not very good at editing videos. This one didn't have a script stop, and my main one, it runs. I'm gonna copy this and paste it, and all we need to change, oh, well, I guess we gotta change 2 things. It's extra hearts and the number it is. So extra hearts 150. You can use any numbers you want. Anything that makes sense. And yeah, there's some other people that have done this. I gotta acknowledge that. Pixel Pete was the first, and there was another YouTuber who will be mentioned in the comments. Shout out to him too for doing a better one, very similar to this one. I didn't watch it through. Oh, it was a disheartening day. It was like, oh, I have something unique that I can do, and no one in a picture in my mind, right? Drawing a picture. And then you go to someone else's gallery, and they're on display, and their art gallery is a piece of art that you had in your mind and were working on. So I didn't even look at it. And this is the way I did it. I hope it's unique from the way they did it. It might not be, but you know, hey. I look forward to someday contributing something that is actually unique. But for now, I'm just going to get used to, well, talking into a microphone at the same time that I'm doing the game development thing. There I go. So whenever you run into this guy, subtracts 15 health. And I'm going to take change those at all. And on this fellow, we're going to have a message. Text display dialog. It's going to say... global variable 3. And he tells you what it is. See if I got everything set up right. I think I did that right first run this time. It's about my 7th time, actually, recording this video. I think this is the one. Oh, no, it's not the one. Oh, I know what I did. Yeah, no problem. On init, set a variable to value. How much health do we give him? 250 whenever the scene starts. I think this will do the trick. Oh, is that? No, that will not. Still broken. Show you what to do. Alt S for new scene. Drag him over. Make a simple trigger. I'm gonna make it huge for fun, and it's going to be a change a scene. And we're not gonna put this here. We're gonna put it over here. Because it initializes these before those, or, you know. So we'll have this scene initialize, and then that one. And that should make it work. I play, I run over, boop. Oh no. No, I messed up all sorts of things. What did I do so horribly wrong? Oh. This guy was set to self. So this guy is also set to self. We don't want it to be self. We want in the on hit the sprite change to be, instead of self, main hearts. Could have changed it over here first, and that would have saved me this step. And if I put it anywhere else, I gotta be sure to use main hearts and extra hearts. I'm gonna change this one here now too. Hopefully you will too, because if you reuse it, you don't want to keep running into that same bug that we introduced ourselves. Alright. Will this do it? Will this do? I hope so. Over and... oh, no it won't. What did I do wrong? Oh, the last one is supposed to be 4 full hearts. And 4 full hearts. Oh, errors all around. See, greater than 190. Extra hearts should be 4 full hearts. Both of us, me and you, should have caught that on the first time blast. This should work. Finally. Look, I gotta leave all that in too. Oh, he does way too much damage. So our health is 250, and ouch. Wow. I might have to re-record this whole video. It's almost 10 minutes. 10 extra hearts. Health is less than 30. Less than 110. Is that it there? Is this the bug? Is this what I did? 50, 30, 70? 110 less than, 110 greater than. And on the second one, variable compare less than 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, greater. I'll do this fellow too. You gotta check both of them, right? One doesn't change the other. Less than 30. Make this less than 50. And 70. 90. 110. Greater than 110. There we go. There's the bug I found. Less than 110. Extra hertz, right? And 130. 50 and 70. Greater than. Yeah, there, right there. Forgot to set that last sprite. What a goof. So now we should have it. We do. Do we? Yeah. 915 health. 85 health. Oh, we almost have it. I made one more bug. And I should have... You know what I'm going to do? At the very end, I'm going to go over the working code once more. Less than 110. Less than 130. Extra hertz, extra hertz. So that should do it. Whenever we go below 110, we should get this. Let's try taking these out. I'm hoping it goes top down. Let's see. There we go. We have 205. So yeah, I should adjust that a little bit, right? Oh, there we go. It appears we have some working code. That's working hertz. So, let's switch these guys around like that. Ooh, my brain. Put this at the beginning. Here's the working code. On this guy, on initialization, if variable compare with value, player health less than 30, main hertz, swap, script stop. Player health less than 50, main hertz, 1 hertz, script stop. Right? Yeah, we see that. Yes, we see that. And then 110 is the same. And then for this I say greater than 110, set it to this. I think we can imagine why. And then this other sprite is called extra hertz. And for extra hertz, it's the same, but with a larger variable. And then the last one. So you can adjust these any which way you want. That's all the code that's here. There's nothing on the scene. All I did was import some sprites. And on this fellow, this is a bad guy. I guess he's a spike. He stands still. On hit, player health, subtract value, 15. And if a variable compare with value, player health less than 30, main hertz, swap. It's the same thing as was on these, without some script stops. Where it'll cycle through the main one and then start to cycle through the second one. Yeah, all the same, and that works. That's all we need to do to make hertz. What's my time? 15 minutes. That's all right. Oh yeah, let me show you this script too. Well, thanks for stopping by. This has been my first Game Boy Studio tutorial video. I hope to see you again real soon. Bye now.